In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like we're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find the post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. Okay, and here's the post from Jason. I have this Whirlpool dishwasher. It's 1.5 years old and it's not spraying now. Check filter is clean. Check pump, no debris in it. Looking for ideas. And here's the photos of the post. And here are the comments. Chris says motor 99%. They're known for it. Jacob says wash pump motor W11612326. Very common on these units. When you replace it, you can use a regular worm drive clamp instead of the crimp style they give you. Let's see. Jason has 4 replies to that answer. Thank you. Jason says thank you. Jason says, is there a way to test it? And Jacob says you can make a cheater cord to wire 120 volts to it. Look at the harness to see which pins it uses and fill it with water. Carefully apply power to it, and if it's bad, it won't pump anything. You can arm them out, but they occasionally will test to be okay, but actually bad. Jacob, okay, now does that control the drain? Did that control the drain also? Because it drains fine but doesn't spray. Okay, Todd says recirculating pump is the problem. Mike says lazy motor syndrome. William says is it getting enough water? Jason replies, William, I would say so, just randomly started. Wilson says, on a rectangular sump assembly, 60% motor, 40% control board. Ed said, if you can't fix it yourself and you have to call somebody, it's better off just buying a new one. Michael says, recirculating pump. Gregory says, main pump motor. Call Whirlpool and give them the number. Maga says, water level. Wash pump comes on. Diverter running or not. He has those 3 questions, and we have a few replies to that. Jason says, can see the bottom, does fill with water. Maga says it sprays but not cleaning dish. Jason says one position. I position the sprays in a spot so when I open it, I know if it's sprayed. They didn't even move. Can't tell water came in from the side through small vent. If need a picture, we'll take one. Okay, Maga says, is that both arms or only one? Check nozzles and clean filter. Jason says, both arms aren't moving, filter is clean, and I pulled what I believe is the pump off the bottom of the dishwasher, which to me was pretty clean. There was what looked like some hair in it. Cleaned it all out, put back on the bottom. Arm is clean, did not check. the top arm. Okay, that's it for the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment for you DIYers and appliance repair guys. You're welcome to chime in on this problem and questions that you might have. Have a good one.